This is Kellen with Mountains of Sound. I'm up here on a roof in Gig Harbor. I wanted to show you guys a couple things with this roof. So just looking at this roof right here, especially in this section, you can see some of the fibers in the shingles. You can see granules being washed away. So in this instance, we would probably say that this is in the primary stages of decomposition. So getting near the end of its life, but not there exactly yet, but you can definitely see with this stuff going on here that it is a little bit older. These architectural roofs last about 25 years. Along with that, there is a section here, down here with some loose shingles. You can see them sliding around there. So this is something definitely you want to take care of, just because a roof is a very important aspect of the home, just to prevent water and leaks and stuff in the home. And so that is it, and thank you for watching.